Welcome to CyberPross nmap tutorial, Network Discovery and Host Discovery. This command performs a ping scan to discover if the host is online without running a port scan. It's a fast way to confirm a target is responsive. This executes a fast scan, which checks the 100 most common TCP ports instead of all 65,535. It provides a quick overview of the most likely services running on the host. This performs a TCP/SYN or stealth scan to identify open, closed, and filtered ports. It's the default and most popular scan type because it is fast and relatively unobtrusive. This command scans the top 20 most common UDP ports. UDP scans are important for discovering services like DNS, SNMP, and DHCP, which don't use TCP. This command probes open ports to determine the specific service and version information. Version detection is essential for finding potentially vulnerable software. This enables aggressive scanning mode, which includes OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and traceroute. It provides a comprehensive profile of the target system. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.